Okay, hello guys, how you guys doing? Yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I forget, happy Valentine's Day. So today I'll be sharing some remote job websites where you can get remote jobs and earn in USD dollar from wherever you are, anywhere you are. So I'm just going to be listing them. So I'll be checking from my phone naturally. So I'll be listing them so you can go ahead and do your findings and know how to register and do the necessary things to do. So number one, we have Upwork. I believe we all know Upwork. Upwork is one of the top freelancing websites or platform all over the world. So it's for freelancing work across various fields, any field, be it VA, be it data analysis, graphic designing, video editor, content writing, administrative support, all various fields. Upwork is like 100% there. So we have Fiverr, almost similar with Upwork, it's just a little bit different. It also offers freelance jobs across all categories, all various fields. So the next one is Freelancer. Freelancer, you can bid on projects and gigs on Freelancer. It's also a freelancing platform to get remote jobs across all various categories and career fields. So the next one is TopTal. I believe we all know TopTal already. Yeah. So this one is very it's more it's an high-end freelancing project platform. Like you have to pay for some packages and stuff like that. So you need some little in-app purchases, stuff like that. So we have Guru. That one helps you to connect to clients for freelance work. It's also a freelance platform, so just like the Upwork, the Fiverr. So you can search them. I'll be giving you as much as possible. So if there's no how you will try to go through all of them, you'll not see the one that will be that will work for you. So just go through them and see the one that works well with you. So we have people per hour, so you can get freelancing jobs and gigs from people per hour also, just like the Fiverr and Upwork. So we have Simply Hired. The Simply Hired is very easy to navigate, very easy step to sign up to start applying for jobs. It's very easy. It's across all various fields. There's no particular field. So we have FlexJob also. It's one of the top freelancing platform, but it has a payment. You have to pay. It's not even you have to pay before you can start applying for jobs. It's not free. So we work remotely, so that is also a job board, but for tech, mostly for tech careers. So it has other careers categories, but mostly for tech careers. So we have remote.co. It's also job opportunities website where you can get freelancing jobs and remote jobs across the globe, across the world. So we have Angel Lists. It's for startup offering remote position. This is majorly for startup businesses, ventures. So for you starting out as a virtual assistant, or let's say you're just starting working from home, you just have little or no experience, it's better you start with a startup business so you can grow with them and grow your experience also. So we have LinkedIn. We all know LinkedIn, so I don't think I need to dwell on that. LinkedIn. So you can apply for jobs on LinkedIn. It's also a job opportunity website, a platform where you can apply for jobs. And we have Glassdoor almost similar with the LinkedIn, just little different. So Glassdoor is for company reviews. It has a lot of features, almost similar to LinkedIn, but it has some other features that are not on LinkedIn that I actually love using Glassdoor, because there are communities where you can chat, like ask questions, do this and do that. A lot of features are like really good. You can get a lot of information about some companies, about salary, about negotiation, about anything on Glassdoor. So we have Indeed. We know Indeed. So you can get remote jobs, you can get on-site jobs on Indeed, all jobs across all country or all over the world. So we have ZipRecruiter, that's the search engine for remote job also. With remote job options, it's not only for remote jobs, you can get on-site, you can get hybrid, anyone. So you just have to input your own type of job you're looking for, job type, then it will give you all what they have about it. So we have Upstaff Talents. We have Upstaff Talents. That's for finding remote job also, just like the rest. So, and next one we have Working Nomads. Just like the name, Working Nomad, it's for work from home jobs. It's for remote jobs across all industries. So we have Remote OK. Is for remote jobs opportunity also. You can check them out. We have freelance writing jobs, which is from the name, it's only for writing and editing gigs. So for the writers, for people that do content writing or ebook writing or writing in general, this platform is for you. So Pro Blogger, this is for blogging or writing, content writing, freelance writing. It's for that's for Pro Blogger. And we have Behance, that's for creative freelance projects. Anything creative writing or graphic designing, anything creative design writing, you can go on, you can check out for Behance. And we have 99 Designs, which is for designing, just like graphic designing, website designing, and all the rest, anything about design. And we have Dribbble is for freelance design and creative jobs also. You can actually check them out. Then we have Design Crowd, which is also a design jobs platform, freelance for designs, all design websites, creative, picture, everything about design. So I think I have to stop here. So I'll do another part for this video. Just watch out for the part 2, and thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.